All right, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. Do people in your country like to drink tea or coffee?
Yes, in my country, I belong from
I
Pakistan.
belong to Pakistan.
I belong to Pakistan, and yes, of course, in my country, people love to take tea and have coffee.
Okay.
But nowadays, in the city, people, those who have to cope up with their multiple tasks, they prefer to have coffee because they feel it gives them an energizing feeling.
Okay, so to answer your question, yes,
Yes,
people love to drink tea or coffee in my
my
country.
country.
Well done. Do you prepare tea or coffee for the guests when they come to your house?
Yes, definitely. I go with their preferences and I make coffee and prepare tea for them if they ask me. And for tea, I have a special recipe for making it strong tea.
All right, this is good. The way she started, yes, definitely. I mean, you should start strong. This is very good. All right, I'll come to your recipe as well, huh? You'll just
So
bring
you're
one
more
for me.
than welcome to my house.
Oh, thank you very much.
Anytime,
Jazakallah.
anytime you can come
Thank
and
you.
have coffee
Thank
or
you very
tea.
much. Now, let's go on. When was the last time you drank tea or coffee?
Yes, I had a cup of tea in the morning, as I always take a cup of tea during my breakfast, and it gives me a very refreshing kind of feeling after getting up from my bed, and it helps me in doing all my chores.
Okay, perfect. Let's go on. One last question. What is your favorite coffee point or cafeteria? What's your favorite cafeteria?
Well, I am a fond of tea. I am a tea lover, so I went to Baba
I
Zaman tea
go to.
stall. Okay, I go to Baba Zaman's tea stall that is located in on Mall Road,
Okay.
and his recipe of tea is very very awesome,
All right.
and
Where is
I
it on
loved
Mall
it.
Road?
It's near, I guess, Chenman.
Chenwan. All right. Yasin, chalange. Huh? Okay. We'll have tea over there.
Every night I go
Okay, that's good.
there.
Very good. All right, thank you. You know, after talking to you, मेरा चाय पीने को दिल चाहने लग गया. You talk such a lovely way. Okay, thank you
So
very
for
much.
me, the tea is a game changer.
I understand that. Okay, thank you. Keep sitting.
Okay,
Now we go on. Your turn, please. Now, yeah, it's going to be about your voice. Speaking part one. Has your voice ever changed?
Yes, I remember my voice changed like when I entered the teenage, and it's quite normal. When you enter the teenage, due to some hormonal changes, your voice becomes quite deep.
So to answer your question,
Son,
yes, my voice
voice has.
changed once, right? I asked the same question from Yasin and he answered many times. I said, what? He said, wife. Yeah. Has your wife ever changed? He said, many times. Okay. All right, let's go on. Yeah, it's problem with every wife and every husband as well. Yeah, they change. So, is your voice similar? Is your voice similar to your parents?
No, yes, my voice is quite similar with my mother, and it becomes really difficult for people to distinguish between our voices. When it was like landline time, I was a kid. People used to call me, and they say,
They used
"Sister."
to say.
They used to say, "Sister, can we talk to like someone in the house?" And when my mother picked up the phone, they would say, "Child, can we talk to someone?"
All right, all right. So, it's like that. Okay, do you like your voice?
Yes, I think I really love my voice. It really helped me because I am a debater, and I find it like quite helpful. My voice is like quite serious and deep, and when you are a debater, you have to be serious, and it really helps me.
Okay, do you like to record your voice?
Yes, I find it quite convenient for me when I am busy and typing is quite boring and time taking. I usually record my voice.
Okay, that's good. One last question. Uh, do you like to sing or do you like singing?
No, when it comes to singing, I think my voice is really bad. Due to debates, I think my voice is like when if I am talking something funny or saying a joke, my friends say it's like you are fighting with us.
Okay, okay. All right, that's good. Thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. All the best.
Thank